cozy sweater notebook or a fuzzy notebook with slime, a thermometer ruler or a scarf ruler? Watch the battle of weird winter school supplies against Grinch school supplies in our new video. What's this? Is it time to get up already? The Grinch is a very serious guy. He doesn't waste his time. He folds back the blanket and goes to school wearing his school uniform right away. And at school, Christy is fighting a losing battle against school supplies. Nope, this cup won't do it all. I can't find anything in it. I need a new handy cup. Cocoa with marshmallows will do the trick. Paint a clear plastic cup brown on the inside so that it looks like cocoa. Add lighter milk foam. Shape light white clay into flat marshmallows. Attach them inside the cup. You can see all the pens in this cup, and the color of delicious wintry cocoa with marshmallows calms you down and creates a cozy vibe. The Grinch is angry! Why is this cute thing on the side of his desk? From now on, this is exclusively the Grinch's Green Kingdom. Look, kiddo, my face is on this cup. It's the only cup that deserves to be on this desk. Paint a school supply cup bright green. Draw the Grinch's face with a black permanent marker. Color his eyes with yellow acrylic paint. Shape a piece of wire to make a hand. Wrap each finger with wool fiber. Tuck the wool with a felting needle. Wrap wool fiber around the arm part. Make 2 arms. Hot glue the hands to the cup. Cover the place of fastening with a piece of wool. Hot glue a piece of wool inside the cup as bangs. Just what do you think you're doing, Green Frog? Just because the Grinch is a villain, it doesn't mean that he can do whatever he wants. It looks like an actual battle of winter school supplies against Green Grinch school supplies. Miss Smith appears and interrupts their heated discussion. The score is tied after the first round, 1-1. Christy has a handy Christmas pencil sharpener. It's snow white and glittering. She can even put it on a Christmas tree. Heat a utility knife and cut the fastening off a clear detachable Christmas tree bauble. Make a hole in it with the hot nozzle of a glue gun. Cut off the melted plastic using a heated knife. Hot glue a pencil sharpener to the hole. Coat the bauble with acrylic paint. Apply white glue on top when the paint is dry and sprinkle it with glitter. Secure the glitter with another layer of glue. The Grinch acts like he loves Christy's pencil sharpener a lot. Then the ruthless villain takes out his own Christmas bag and invites Christy to take a gift out of it. Cut a circle and a rectangle out of a piece of red felt. Hot glue them together to make a bag. Cut off the excess. Put in hollow fiber filling and hot glue a pencil sharpener. Tie the bag using wired tinsel, leaving space for a pencil. Decorate the bag with colorful mini jingle bells. But you can't trick Christy! She won't put her finger into a strange bag. She puts a pencil in it instead, and it turns out that there is a pencil sharpener inside. The Grinch is not happy. This is not the effect he expected from his magical bag. The Grinch's school supplies lose in this round. Christy's winter school supplies take the lead. The score is 2-1. Classes are continuing and there is still plenty of time before they get to go home. Christy dreams about a warm, cozy bed and a soft blanket, but she has a warm and soft notebook. Hot Hot glue a piece of an old sweater to a notebook. Cut off the excess. Decorate it with heart-shaped buttons. I need to show the Grinch my notebook right now. There is no way that this cute and cozy school supply will leave him cold. But the villain is still a villain. My knitted notebook makes him sick. The Grinch takes out something green and fuzzy. Oh, what kind of terrible beast is that? Christy jumps up on a chair out of surprise, and the Grinch tames the wild notebook and makes it open up so that he can write in it. Open a notebook in the middle. Fasten some pages together with white glue, and cut out a rectangle. Glue the inside of the remaining frame. Make a box out of a piece of plastic so that it fits inside the hole. Put it in. Make slime. Add green acrylic paint to clear stationery glue. Pour in some borax. Put the slime into the notebook. Hot glue a piece of plastic on top. Wrap the cover in green faux fur. Miss Smith doesn't like when students put their feet on chairs, so Christy gets disciplined. But the teacher notices the fuzzy notebook. Aw, come here, cutie! How adorable! Miss Smith finds an approach to the Grinch's unusual notebook right away. The green student is at a loss. How dare you! That's my notebook! But the notebook doesn't even think about going back to its owner. And Miss Smith also discovers the green slime inside. The Grinch's school supply wins in this round for sure. The teacher will never part with this fuzzy notebook. The score is 2-2, and girls ought to behave, not jump on chairs. Christy is creating something. She has an amazing aromatic glue stick shaped like a cinnamon stick. Take the glue out of a tube. Mash it and add a spoon of ground cinnamon. Put the glue back. Paint the tube brown. Make a swirl of hot glue on the cap. Color it with acrylic paint. Make lighter accents. Christy smells onion instead of her favorite cinnamon. Of course! Because the Grinch is munching on an onion right near her. So what? It's got a lot of vitamins. Christy is horrified. She needs to teach her neighbor good manners. Christy will make a present for the Grinch. If he likes admiring himself, then glue should remind him of himself too. Take the glue stick out of a tube. Mash it and add finely chopped green fur. Put the glue back into the container. Remove the label. Attach a strip of painter's tape. Color the tube with acrylic paints, red and green. Remove the tape. Paint white lines on a strip of a red foam rubber sheet. Cut an elongated triangle out of red felt. Make 2 pieces. Hot glue a hat. Attach a white pom-pom on top. Make a fluffy rim from white felt. Tie the foam rubber sheet scarf on the Grinch glue stick and put on the felt hat. The Grinch likes the glue stick with a scarf and a hat, but there is no way he will show that to Christy. Christy makes a good point. Grinch should open it up. He's truly happy now. Christy managed to make him happy. He wasn't expecting that. Glue with green fur is unbelievable. Well, thank you, neighbor. The Grinch is ready to glue everything around him with his new amazing glue stick. It's a tie in this glue round. The score is 3-3. Christy has a thermometer ruler. What temperature is it at school today? We can make it lower or higher. Coat a ruler with white acrylic paint. Apply red paint on one side and blue on the other side. Make a transition in the center and draw a temperature sensor. Mark the current position of the mercury bulb. Add a scale on the opposite side of the ruler. Draw a sun on the red half and a snowflake on the blue half. But the Grinch doesn't like cute things. He wants to show Christy an actual manly ruler. And while he's unsuccessfully looking for it in the depths of his backpack, Christy is making a gift for him. Cut a strip of a red foam rubber sheet that is 1 inch wide and 9 inches long. Divide the ruler with even spacing. Attach painter tape strips on the marks. Color the scarf ruler with white acrylic paint. Remove the tape. Cut the sides to make fringe and draw hatch marks on the ruler. Christy puts the scarf ruler onto the Grinch's green school supply cup. The Grinch is skeptical about his neighbor's invention, as usual. But when she shows him that this cute scarf is actually a ruler, the Grinch truly cheers up. Even Miss Smith is amazed. The Grinch and hugs do not usually go hand in hand. And the battle of school supplies ends in a tie. Did you like our battle of winter school supplies against the Grinch school supplies? Then write in the comments which ideas you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss new amazing challenges on Troom Troom.